So when you put more effort into yourself, you will become now this guy. Ayan, o, kita mo ba? Ang daming girlalus na nakatingin sa kanya. That's attention, okay? So, from 3, for example, 3 ka lang, yung BSE rating ang tawag ko dyan eh. Big Stick Energy Rating. Na mas mataas yung rating mo, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung stick mo, Big Stick Energy, yung lakas ng dating, ayan. So, when you put more effort into yourself, mas tataas yung BSE rating mo, Big Stick Energy Rating. So, ayan. So, not only na tumaas yung BSE rating mo, yung lakas ng dating mo, but you will also attract more opportunities. Alright? So, more opportunities sa career mo, sa, yung magi-improve talaga yung buhay mo once you start putting more effort into yourself. Actually, itong mga attention na to coming from girls is just, lang yan, bonus na lang yan. Bonus na lang siya. So, the more effort you give yourself, the more eyeballs, the more women will be attracted to you. Your money, your muscles, your fashion style, your confidence, alam mo yun, yung looks mo, yung behave mo, yun lang yung buhay na patunay that you are putting more effort into yourself. And dahil doon, you will get more attention. More women will be attracted to you. So that's why, sobrang valuable na mga resources na to. Your time, your energy, and your money. Because these things, itong tatlong to, ito yung most valuable resource mo as a man. Because these things can give you this. Ayan. Kaya sobrang importante ng resources mo. Because you can build your kingdom by having this. So, hindi mo dapat siya ginagastos, hindi mo dapat siya binibigay sa mga babaeng hindi ka naman gusto. Kasi kahit anong effort, kahit anong investment ibigay mo, kahit gaano karaming oras, kahit gaano karaming energy at money ang ibigay mo sa babae, kung hindi ka niya gusto, hindi ka rin niya pipiliin. That's why you need to stop that one.